Most of us live fast. We push, we perform, and we forget to breathe. But here, we slow down. We return to something ancient, something real. Over these days, we're not here to fix anything. We're here to listen to nature and to each other. Why would you recommend this retreat to other people?
The way you guided this week as a person, with lots of warmth, with lots of attention, personal attention for everybody.
When one person shares openly, it creates space for others to do the same. In that space, without judgment, without pressure, real connection begins. What was the highlight of this retreat for you?
To the river, and then into the river, in the cold river, with all the yoga, and breathing, and the walking, and the food, and the people, and the music, and the fire.
The forest doesn't demand anything from us. It doesn't judge. It simply reminds us that we belong, exactly as we are. And in the quiet moments alone between the trees, we meet ourselves again. What is something that you're taking home from this retreat?
Love for life, love for myself, love for others, love for the experience.
Going back to basic with this retreat, you will meet a different part of you.
There are moments when we're invited to step beyond our familiar edges and discover what is possible for any of us. These moments stay with us, a deeper breath, a clearer heart, a sense of coming home, to nature and to ourselves. Join us at EleMens. This will be a place of renewal. Visit wildelements.com and book your place today.